You have shown determination. You have shown courage. You have been able to overcome hurdles. We heard that in your song. And the name of the song, Rennie, was Yet Still I Rise. It's not a political statement. But you have been able to pick yourselves up, dust off yourselves, and move ahead. And for that, you deserve tremendous compliments. I want to congratulate your support systems, your parents, your guardians, the significant others in your lives, those who have worked with you, those who have laughed with you, and those who have cried with you, because they have done that, but they supported you. I want to congratulate your lecturers, your professors, your tutors, not only who are full-time members of staff, but we have a cadre of what we call associate staff, both in medicine and in dentistry. And these are people who give of their time to come and teach you, and to give you something that they have learned in their own training, and for which we can never pay them enough. Can you imagine somebody coming to an afternoon session to teach the medical students, and I don't want to tell you what we pay them, because we really pay them gas money. They will never be able to compute that with what they will earn in their private practices. So we must not forget the people who have helped you from outside, and Professor Murthy will attest to this. 40 or 50 people who come in to keep the teaching going. Because we couldn't possibly, with the resources that we have, teach efficiently and sufficiently to create the level of graduates that we produce. And I want to tell you, you are not inferior graduates. When we look at the reports of the external examiners, and I had the pleasure of hearing the external examiners report in obstetrics and gynecology last week, and of the dental school not too long ago. And they are essentially saying, these are people who come from the finest institutions all over the world, and they are saying, your students are even better than ours. They say, I can't imagine what you're doing here. But more about that later on. So, let me again compliment your teachers, both in-house and those outside. They've taught you, they've mentored you. And I think right now of Dr. Premchand Ratan, for example. I mean, what a fine example of a physician who takes